Hello friends, I hope you all are well, and I have created another recipe for this week. Since mango and cherry is in season nowadays and it's very good and fresh, so I decided to combine both ingredients. We are making today no bake cheesecake. First we are going to start with sour cherry compote. So we are mixing sugar and pectin together, and now we will heat our cherries. I'm using canned cherries actually, so you can use the same, you can use fresh as well. I will boil my puree until 40 degrees Celsius, and then I will introduce sugar and pectin, and then I will take it to 80 degrees Celsius. After it reaches to 80 degrees Celsius, I will keep it aside. Now we are making our cheesecake. So here are the ingredients. You can see it's very easy, even kids can make it. So for cheesecake, everything should be on room temperature. Now first I will heat my puree with sugar. When it reaches to 40 degrees Celsius, I will introduce gelatin and let the gelatin melt. I will keep it aside. Meanwhile, I will start with our cream cheese. So I will beat my cream cheese with whipping cream. We will beat our cream cheese with whipping cream until we achieve smooth texture. So I will time to time I will scrape out and I will beat again. It will take almost 2 to 3 minutes depending on the measurement. Now I will add my mango puree with gelatin and I will beat again. I will just add a little bit of color since my mango does not give very nice yellow color, so I will give nice yellow color here. And now I'm using here 3 types of molds. I will tell you why. First, for the round ones, I'm making some inserts. Now for the long ones, I will put my cheese mixture inside and to the round ones as well, and I will try to smooth it out with the corners, and I will make a room for my compote inside like this. Okay, now I will put insert of compote in the center, and then I will add more cream cheese on the top, and I will put this back in the freezer for at least 4 to 5 hours. And I will do the same with the round ones as well, but for the round ones I will freeze my inserts first. So when it sets, then I will put in the round ones. Okay, now it's set, so I will smooth it out the corners of the round ones, and then I will put my sour cherry compote in the center, and then I will fill the top with the cream cheese mixture, smooth it out, and then I will put this back in the freezer for 4 hours. Now here I have sablé. I will bake according to my size and shapes. So pâte sablé recipe is available in the description box. You can follow the same recipe. I will just bake this for making the bottom of our cheesecake. That's it. I will bake these. Now the glaze recipe is also available in the description box. I'm going to glaze my cheesecake because this is something new. I want it to be glazed. I don't want it to, you can even do the airbrushing stuff for the velour. So our glaze is at 30 degrees Celsius and we are glazing our mango cheesecake now. And then I will put it on our sablé base. That's it. and I told you it's very easy, and it will look very nice on the buffet table if you serve on parties, Eid. Now I will glaze the round ones as well, and I will do the same as I did with the oblong one. Now I have created some chocolate decorations. The decorations, as I always mention, it's up to you. So you can do the same, you can do better than me. So I'm just putting some chocolate shards on the top, and then I will pipe my whipping cream on top, one flower, and I will put cherry. So it's cherry on top. It goes like this. You can do better than me, I'm sure. It's just up to you. So that's it. And see how beautiful they look, and I'm sure your guest will love the recipe. So I will show you the cut of both the cheesecake. Meanwhile, don't forget to share, like and subscribe the recipes. So let's see. Okay, here it goes, and I will show you how it looks from inside. Oh my god, look at this, how smooth they look and how professional they look. You can definitely surprise your guest by doing this very simple cheesecake. And here it is, and I will show you the round one as well. You can see. I will just remove the decoration from the top. Here it goes, and I will cut for you, and that's it. You can see how beautiful it looks from inside. So I will take a leave here. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the channel with your friends and family. I will be grateful to you. Until next video, ciao, bye bye.